Today on The Brief, recruitment and retention have never been more critical to IT success. It's also never been more difficult to pull both off successfully. There are lots of reasons for this. Historically low unemployment rates in IT and accelerating baby boomer retirements are putting the squeeze on HR to find and then keep the talent that IT needs. Social media makes a bad situation worse, as employees take to increasingly popular platforms like Glassdoor and Indeed to share what they do and do not like about their workplaces. Fortunately for IT, a little investment in recognizing employee contributions can go a long way toward keeping them better engaged and for a longer period of time. McLean & Company data suggests employees who report high recognition are over 3 times more likely to be engaged than those who report low recognition. But with 69% of IT employees saying they feel they're not adequately praised and rewarded for superior work, IT leaders clearly have a ways to go. And they'd better get on it quickly. According to Gallup, replacing an employee can cost upwards of 150% of his or her annual salary, and 2/3 of employees would quit if they didn't feel appreciated or recognized. Worse, 1/3 of IT employees say they're actively looking for a new role within the next year. But the problem may not be as difficult to solve as it first seems. Companies with strategic recognition programs in place experience 22% less turnover than those that don't. And most IT departments already have some form of recognition program on the books. Where they fall short is day-to-day execution, and for that, we've got a solution. Our blueprint, called Effectively Recognize IT Employees, is packed full of concrete steps you can take right now to up your game with rewards and recognition. It really doesn't take much. Our research confirms too many organizations overthink and underdeliver. What they should be doing is looking for informal opportunities to introduce behaviors into the culture that are reward and recognition friendly. They need to customize recognition to meet employee needs and wants and ensure everything is completely transparent, fair, and simple. If you've been struggling with keeping your best people motivated and engaged, download our blueprint before you do anything else. That's food for thought.